In today's video, I'll show you how to install a 100% completed save file in Shadow of Tomb Raider. Check my video description for the save file download link. Complete series saves. Just right click and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Go to Documents, scroll down and open this Shadow of Tomb Raider random numbers. This is a game progress. Before dropping this save file, backup your game progress. Right click on the desktop and select new and select folder. Drag and drop your game files inside. Now drag and drop these 100% save file inside here. Launch the game. Once you are in game, go to load game. You can able to see all save files. Every machines will be in save. 7% complete, 8%, 10%, 14%. Can play whatever percentage of game you like. I'm gonna start this 21% of game. Now you can enjoy the game, guys. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.